What's up, you guys? It's Curly by Nature, and this is my Get Ready With Me Thanksgiving 2018. So of course I use my Divinity to start off as a base for before I put on any makeup or anything like that. I use the oil on my face, and then I use the body melt on my hands and the rest of my body. And I used my Divinity Lip Glow for my lips, and that's all that I used on my lips. So for the style, I'm just starting out first with my eyebrows, which I'm still working on and learning different things and new things, but I used Anastasia, and then I used the e.l.f. Concealer to finish it off and make it look like, more realistic. So I used a few different eyeshadows from the Estee Lauder palette. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but I used some eyeshadows from that palette and a few others that I'll show you guys later. I call this next palette my Zendaya palette, but it is officially called the CoverGirl True Naked Jewel palette, and I just dab a little bit in the corner of my eye. And last but not least, I went in with my e.l.f. palette with the darkest color on the set, just to give it like a smoky eye-ish look. So I love this eyeliner. I got it from TJ Maxx or Marshalls a few years ago. I don't know the name of it because the name's scratched off, but I love it. Now I'm getting ready to take down my hair. I did a twist out, and I'll be uploading a video of what I actually did to achieve this because a lot of people have been asking me. So I'll upload a separate video of what exactly I did to achieve this twist out look. Now, if y'all know me, y'all know this look is not complete without me doing my edges. So I'm about to go in with my Luxura edge control, which is my favorite edge control. And I'm brushing it down with my Hair is Forever brush. And the bristles are super soft, and it lays my edges down for the whole day. Here is the finished look, giving you Whitley Gilbert vibes, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed your Thanksgiving, and hope you come back next time. Bye!